Hi everyone, I'm Amy, and today I'm making sweet cornbread muffins. These muffins are really easy to make, and they are a great side dish to any meal. So let's get started. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and take a muffin pan and line it with baking cups, and then set it aside. In a large bowl, add a half a cup of cornmeal, 1½ cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and a half a teaspoon of salt. Now whisk this together. Then add 1/3 cup of vegetable or canola oil. Next, add 2 beaten eggs. And then add 1 1/4 cups of milk. Now stir this together until combined. Now carefully pour this into each muffin cup until it's 2/3 full. Now just bake this in the oven for about 20 minutes or until the tops are golden brown. Then remove the pan from the oven and place it onto a wire rack. Let the muffins stay in the pan to cool for 5 minutes before removing. And here they are, sweet cornbread muffins. And these are delicious, topped with butter and drizzled with honey. For this recipe and many more, check out my website at amylynnskitchen.com. You can also find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Pour this into each muffin cup until it's about two-thirds of the way full. 2/3 full. Until it's 2/3 full. Was that right? It's topped with butter and drizzled with honey. Doesn't sound right. It's topped with honey and, oh no, not topped with butter. It's topped with butter. Topped with butter, drizzled with honey. Do it again. Ah!